Welcome to Meals with Sue. Pull up a chair, bring your appetite. Let's explore the world, one meal at a time. Before you grab that Black Friday air fryer deal, pause. Because not all discounts are created equal. The real secret isn't just about the price tag. It's knowing the right size, features, and brand that will actually serve your holiday table. Let's break down what to consider so you don't end up with an air fryer that is too small, too flimsy, or not worth the hype. Hi cooks, welcome to Meals with Sue, where soulful cooking meets everyday life. I created this space to help busy cooks and teams discover that the kitchen doesn't have to be overwhelming. With simple practical recipes, mindful tips, and a dash of storytelling, Meals with Sue is here to empower you, making it accessible, fun, and full of flavor. My recent video on air fryer magic sparked a wave of excitement, showing viewers how this simple appliance can transform everyday meals into healthier, faster, and more flavorful creations, making it one of the most talked about upgrades for their holiday cooking and beyond. In this video, let me break down the 5 key considerations before buying an air fryer. Please like and subscribe for content that can help you cook better, hassle-free, and become a better cook. The 5 key considerations before buying an air fryer is the capacity and size. Number 1. Air fryers range from 2 to 3 quarts, ideal for singles and couples, to 8 to 10 quarts, best for families or holiday meals. For Thanksgiving or entertainment, a 6 to 10 quarts model is recommended. It can handle turkey breast, casserole, or multiple sizes. Consider counter space. Basket-style units are compact, while oven-style models take up more room but offer versatility. Cooking functions and versatility, which is number 2 consideration. Beyond air frying, many models offer roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and even rotisserie. Dual basket designs let you cook 2 dishes at once, great for sides during holiday meals. Check the temperature range. Make sure you can go from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and this can help you to make many dishes at different temperature, and presets are very good for convenience. Third consideration is ease of cleaning and safety features. Look for non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets to save time. You don't want to be scrubbing the baskets. Safety features like auto shut-off, cool touch handles, and overheat protection are important as well, especially in busy kitchens. Fourth consideration, brand reliability and reviews. Trusted brands like Ninja, Kosori, Instant Pot, and Philips consistently perform well. Read reviews for even cooking, crispiness, durability, and noise levels. Warranty and customer support matters if you plan to use it often. The fifth consideration is price and value. Air fryers range from budget models under $50 to premium units over $200. Black Friday deals often slash prices by 40 to 60%, so compare across retailers. When buying an air fryer during Thanksgiving Black Friday sales, focus on capacity, versatility, price history, reliability of the brand. Don't just chase doorbusters hype. Make sure the model fits your cooking needs and is truly discounted. Another bonus tip is to consider a special holiday use. Consider that you need large basket or oven-style air fryer for turkey breast or casseroles. Dual basket models for cooking sides simultaneously. Rotisserie function if you want to roast a whole poultry. So like my air fryer is a Gourmia, it's 6 to 8 quarts, and you can really put one whole chicken in. That is why I bought that size. So quick checklist before buying. Capacity matches your family size and holiday meals. Functions beyond air frying. Dishwasher safe basket for easy cleanup. Price history shows a real discount. It should be 40 to 60% off. trusted brands with good reviews. I would recommend taking a look at the Kosori 9-in-1 6-quart or the Ninja Dual Basket model, both versatile, family-friendly, and often heavily discounted during Black Friday. Also, check the Gourmia air fryers out because this is one of the hottest Black Friday 2025 deals. Walmart has slashed the price of popular 8-quart digital window air fryer to just about $39.84. That's a massive discount of over 70%, making it one of the most budget-friendly, large-capacity options this season. If you think this has helped you, please hit the like button so that others can find this video. Please consider subscribing to get more content to help you cook better. Also, share it to friends and family. Comment below if you're thinking of getting an air fryer in the Black Friday sale, and check out the last video, Air Fryer Veggie, for some good recipe. Thank you guys for watching. And I myself, just to add, I'm using the Gourmia. I've been using it for many years, and usually I like to change out my air fryer. Like after 4 years, I change it out and I use a new one. So that is why I use not too expensive one. That way I can change it out. And if this is your first time buying, you can also start with something that is a little more affordable and then move up your price range. This is the consideration. See how I can pick the lifestyle. Go ahead and find out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you next Thursday. Bye.